Ever wished you could customize jewelry exactly the way you want? Here's how our design lab works. Step 1. Choose what you want to design. Then choose your preferred length from the available size options. If you're unsure about sizing, check the size guide. Step 2. Browse or search for beads. Use the bead panel to explore gemstones, craft beads, and other materials. You can search for a specific bead or filter by material, color, shape, or size. Step 3. Add beads to the design canvas. Hold and drag beads onto the canvas to start building your jewelry. Step 4. Adjust and refine your design. Click a bead on the canvas to select it. You can move it, flip it, remove it. View product details or add it to your wish list. Use Snap Together to align beads neatly. Step 5. Save and revisit your designs. Use Save to My Lab to keep a design for later. In My Lab, you can reload saved designs, rename them, delete them, or add them to cart. A side tip: explore community designs. Community designs are shared creations from other Pavonia users. You can save and load a community design as a starting point, then change the beads, colors, size, and layout to make it your own. Step 6. Add your design to cart. There are 2 different ways to buy from the Design Lab experience. 1. Loose beads. Buy individual beads or materials as separate products. 2. Finished custom design. Order the full bracelet or necklace shown on the canvas. Pavonia will handcraft the piece to match your design.